a friendly old man from the village shared the story of this beautiful waterfall with us. He said that these huge rocks were moved here using only human power, no machines involved. The locals made all of this. The beauty of this place attracted us so much that we decided to take a bath here. The real beauty of this place is that it's hard for the public to reach, so it stays hidden, precious, and clean. There's no one else around, and you can enjoy being close to nature. Check out Bicycle 360 on YouTube to watch the full video.